Brianna, pasay na for attendance ng semesters. Sige. Di ba may absent sa atin na ano? Oo nga, ano pa yun?
The recent midterms exam, we had to sign signatures per day for our attendance. Our class has 36 students, but 6 of them were absent. If we had to sign 3 signatures per day, how many signatures should there have been? We can have fx is equals to 36x minus 6x as our equation, since 36 represent the totals of student, while 6 represent the count of absence. Since we had to sign 3 signatures per day, 3 will become our representative of x. With this, we can replace x with 3, leaving us with f3 is equals to 36 multiplied by 3 minus 6 multiplied by 3. We can now solve this. 36 multiplied by 3 is 108, and 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. For our last step, we will now subtract the remaining. 108 minus 18 is 90. Therefore, our final answer is 90 signatures.
Then, ay magkakaroon tayo ng ambagan para sa performance task natin. And yung ambagan na yun is for our props and costume. Baka ibang concert mo yan, ha? Baka ibang picture.
Baka igbusa mo yan, ha?
Summer ko din naman.
STEM 11A will have a contribution of funds for their costumes in an upcoming performance. If every costume is 150 pesos and they need to spend an additional 200 on props, how much will the contribution be for 36 students in STEM A? How about 40 in STEM B? So here's the solution. The given here is 150 and 200. If x is equal to 36, then 150 times 36 plus 200 is equal to 5,600 pesos. That is the f of x, and that is for STEM A. While for STEM B, the given here is 150 and 200. If x is equal to 40, then 150 times 40 plus 200 is equal to 6,200 pesos, and that is the f of x for STEM B.
My food expense per day is 120 pesos and my transportation costs 50 pesos. If I go to school for 3 days, the solution will be x is equal to 3, so 120 pesos times 3 plus 50 pesos times 3, the total will be 510 pesos. And if I go to school for 4 days, that will be x is equal to 4, so 120 pesos times 4 plus 50 pesos times 4, the total will be 680 pesos.
Meanwhile,
Hey Faye, are you not gonna go home yet?
Just a minute. I'm waiting for Jan and Alexa.
Ay, hindi ba nila sinabi sa'yo yung about sa club?
So they're not going home yet. So we go first?
Eh di tara na, let's go!
Are we going to ride a tricycle?
Yes, magta-tricycle tayo.
How much does it cost to travel 10 kilometers away?
Usually kasi sa tricycle, when you're traveling under 5 kilometers, ang babayaran mo lang is 30 pesos. Or kahit eksakto ka sa 5 kilometers, 30 pesos. However, pag dinagdagan mo pa ng kilometers yun, per kilometer mo is 5 pesos. Since ikaw, 10 kilometers away ka, you will have to pay 55 pesos, additional 25 ka. Kasi may additional 5 kilometers.
Okay, wait. Now I get it. Wait, you're 3 kilometers away, right?
Ayun nga, dahil 3 kilometers away lang ako, eh 30 pesos lang ang babayaran ko kasi under 5 kilometers ako. Magulo ba? Sige, palinawin natin, explain ko ulit. Kasi, okay, so the problem we have is Kevin and Faye ride the tricycle home. The fare is 30 pesos for the first 5 kilometers. However, there is an additional 5 pesos per succeeding kilometer. If Kevin lives 3 kilometers away and Faye lives 10 kilometers away, how much will each of their fares be? So this is an example of a piecewise or a piecewise function. This is because there is a conditional statement inside the question itself. So in this case, f of x may be equal to 30 pesos, or it can also be equal to 30 plus 5 times x minus 5. This formula was derived from the question itself. This is because, again, for every succeeding kilometer after 5 kilometers, there will be an additional 5 pesos charge. So, for Kevin, since he lives 3 kilometers away, it is less than 5. So, he will only pay 30 pesos. However, for Faye, she lives 10 kilometers away. So, if we plug the value 10 for our x, we will get 30 plus 5 times 10 minus 5, which will become 30 plus 5 times 5, which will become 30 plus 25 or 55 pesos. And that's why your fare is 55 pesos.